Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your environment. Create a virtualenv, activate it, and install core libs. Once done, pip install a local ASR library like Vosk or OpenIWhisper with FFmpeg. You choose a model based on accuracy versus CPU/GPU needs, so download the appropriate model file to a known path. Make sure to keep models local to avoid network calls. This gets you to the very first runnable state, where you can load the model and process a test audio file. Now you implement the core loop, load the model object, and open your audio source. Resample to 16 kHz, convert to mono and 16-bit PCM because models expect that. You do this with FFmpeg or Librosa. Then feed short frames, around 1/2 to 1 second, into the recognizer so latency stays low. Once fed, collect partial hypotheses, merge them into final segments, and record timestamps and confidences. This structure lets you balance throughput and accuracy, while finish by integrating post-processing and performance tweaks. Apply voice activity detection to skip silence, add punctuation with a lightweight language model, and reuse recognizer instances to avoid reload overhead. If you need speed, switch to quantized models or GPU inference. Once deployed, log audio metadata and transcription confidence so you can iterate on model choice. If things go wrong, the most common cause is audio format mismatch. Confirm sample rate, channels, and bit depth match the model. Fix that first and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.